Level 1. D. Today, we're going to learn about a concept, adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number that is a multiple of 10. First, I have some questions for you. What is a digit? What are the two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10? A digit is any whole number from 0 to 9 that can be used alone or in combination to stand for a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 are one-digit numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, until 99 are two-digit numbers. For example, 100. How many digits are there in 100? One hundred has 3 digits. 2,500. How many digits are there in 2,500? That's right. 2,500 has 4 digits. The two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Let's learn about the concept. Adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number that is a multiple of 10. Let's have some examples. 50 plus 8 is equal to 50 is a two-digit number that is a multiple of 10. 8 is a one-digit number. Let's add 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. 6 plus 30 is equal to 6 is a one-digit number. 30 is a two-digit number that is a multiple of 10. Let's add 6 plus 30 is equal to 36. How about the next example? 72 plus 5 is equal to 72 is a two-digit number. 5 is a one-digit number. Remember, our concept is adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number that is a multiple of 10. Is 72 a multiple of 10? Very good! 72 is not a multiple of 10, so this example does not belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!